good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are at. We are out here, Tondol Beach, staying at the 828 Gems Beach Resort. We've been here a few days already, and I don't know if I want to leave quite yet. We're supposed to leave tomorrow, and I'm thinking, maybe an extra night. It's really peaceful, beautiful out here, and I'm kind of digging the scene. So, I don't know. We'll play it by ear and see how things go today. But we're talking about staying maybe an extra night. So, yeah, as you can see, the tide is way out. I'm coming up to the water right now, but yeah, we're way the heck out here. Last night, once again, when the tide was in, it was coming right up to the way up in there. So, yeah, sun's coming up. It's still morning time. Kids are out playing. Found some more starfish. Wow, check that out. Yeah, we found a few starfish yesterday also. It's pretty cool.
You
gonna take it?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, God, the weather's just gorgeous. Couldn't ask for better. This is fantastic. But I tell you, I sure don't miss the winter weather. That's for damn sure. No way. This is it right here. You know, I can see why people retire and move down to Florida. Yeah, I was saying we're down south where it's warm in the wintertime, but I tell you what, I'm glad I came here. What's that? Yeah, we're thinking about doing some island hopping out here. I guess you can rent a boat, some boat drivers and all that good jazz, and cruising around, hopping around islands. So we might be doing that today or tomorrow. Well, definitely if we decide to spend an extra day, we'll probably do it. But yeah, it's pretty awesome out here. Pretty nice. Whoa! Man, did I mention this water is absolutely fantastic? I really need to be out here swimming today. I've got my swim shorts on right now. I think we're going to make a go of it here soon. Kids are out in their pajamas, it looks like. I think so. It looks like that's what they're doing. So I'm up to my, what am I up to here? Up to my shins in water. Just trudging through the water with my chinelas on. We got like little kayaks out here. Supposedly they have, I was talking to the owner this morning and he said that he has paddle boats with glass bottoms, or not glass bottoms, whatever, clear bottoms. So you can see down below. And I believe he's the one that has these little kayaks out here too. So there's plenty to do out here. If you want to take advantage, if you decide to stay at 828. I don't know, enjoy the peace and serenity of this wonderful beach and island. Free swimming lessons. Jam. She's probably not liking being on this leash and then having to try to stay afloat at the same time. Yep, facing east out there. Got the sun coming up. Yeah, we have some friends coming out to visit us today. They're going to bring some food and do some grilling. So we got a pretty full day ahead of us. just kind of goofing off. This water is phenomenal. It feels great. Squeak, 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 squeak. So yeah, we'll take a little stroll down the beach here. Go down towards the I Love Tondol sign, monument, whatever you want to call it. I think that's what it is, right? Yeah, we're gonna get out to that island too. Alright, headed back in, closer to shore. So yeah, we decided to come in a little closer to land. We're kind of like on the far, I don't know, east end of the beach. 828 is right there. 828 Gems Beach Resort. Take a little walk just down the beachfront, kind of show you what it's like over here. Yeah, people are out and about. They had like a motor scooter gang show up last night. They're just waving it. They saw me with the camera. Seem like pretty good kids. A little loud, but that's okay. They're having fun. I was the same way, I'm sure. Yeah, it's the weekend here, so it's a little more crowded than it was when we first got here. Got here on a Thursday, so it was pretty quiet. So that might be another thing to consider. If you can come here on the weekdays, probably better. That's what I'm gonna do next time. I'm gonna plan like a Sunday through Wednesday or Sunday through Thursday visit. It's just a little bit quieter. Still not bad though. And there's some other resorts over there. I don't know if they're operating right now, if they're open or not. They might be, so maybe we'll take a look when we walk back. Yeah, we can do that. So yeah, this is what it looks like on on a what, Saturday morning, just coming up on 10 a.m. So, all right, we gotta take a couple pictures here. So yeah, we had to stop and take a couple pictures next to this boat that's runs adrift after the tide went out. What we're doing is we're just kind of walking. What is it? Oh man. We're just...
Can I take my
What
phone?
the heck? What is that?
Crabs.
Oh my goodness,
Hermit
baby crabs?
I think so.
Hermit crabs? Look at this. See these little guys charging down the beach? Look at that. See my shadow is one thing you can see. See if I can get my shadow out of the front. There we go. Look at these guys.
They're moving fast.
Yeah, they're cruising.
So many. See, Jen? They look like moving teeth.
Look at that. Yeah, no kidding. Those little buggers are cruising. Yep. Wow. Interesting what you see out here. Dog doesn't know what to make of it, huh? Okay, we got through the hermit crabs. They were poking the dog in the nose. She was nosing around, trying to investigate what they were doing, and they were poking her. Crazy. So yeah, we're just walking down the beach. We're gonna probably head down to the entrance of this, I don't know, area, facility here. So. Just a nice leisurely stroll in the morning. Just gorgeous out here. There used to be a little eatery right over there.
Yeah.
I noticed it's gone.
So where we bought, we buy the Pangasinan.
Yep. Last time we were here, we were just starving. I think it was right there. Right over that little hut right there on the end, on the left. I think that's it. Isn't that it, hon?
That's the one.
Yeah, we sat out there and had some lunch. It's too bad. Those little places, they would never survive. Expect, during a pandemic like this. But this is great. I mean, we're out here and not wearing any face masks, face shields. I know that sounds kind of dorky, but seriously, it's a pain in the butt. You gotta go, you go someplace and you gotta be wearing that stuff constantly. Like you can hardly, I don't know. You all know what I'm talking about. I don't need to go into detail. Yeah, I've got my shirt off right now, and I can already feel the sun just beating down on me, beating down on my shoulders. And it's just after 10 a.m. But man, does it feel good. Doing okay back there? Jam pulling you every which way? So we got a couple more here. Beach resorts. Portable Beach Resort. And Zora. never stayed at any of these places, so I don't know. They look okay. Yeah, I met the owner, the husband this morning, the owner of 828 Gems, and nice guy, nice gentleman, Felix. His name is Felix, and his wife I met the day before yesterday or the day before, I can't remember, Grace. So yeah, Felix and Grace own the 828 Gems Beach Resort. They're both very nice folks. So, yep. Anything you need, just let them know. So this is kind of the entrance to the resort areas. Right over there. We'll walk up there and check it out. And then just a whole string of Kubos up here and their I love Tondol sign, which is pretty indicative of every like barangay or area, whatever. You'll see these everywhere in the Philippines. Okay. My dog is off limits there, buddy. Get lost. You got a lot of this. My dog's fixed, so I'm not worried about it, but still, it gets a little annoying. Got a lot of stray dogs running around here. Alright, anyways. Back to Kubo's, sunshine, and coconut trees. This is the entrance, this area here. So that little road right there coming in is pretty much your main entrance and exit out of the area, into and out of the area.